This is a Web4 puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Dan Fast and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of the Web4 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to assemble all these 8 parts into a lattice-like shape. If you like the Web4 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution is quite difficult. It's difficult to remember, difficult to put together even when you know the solution, so it might take some time. So what you have to do is to put all 4 correct parts on the bottom, and then it will be much easier to fit the rest of the parts. But you have to find the correct pieces for that. So probably this one will be here, and I have to find the 4th piece, which will go right here. It will be probably one of those. Yeah, this piece. So take a closer look at these parts, how they are set together. And now we will find the parts that will go on top of those. Like this piece will definitely go on top of these 4 parts from here. And it's supposed to go all the way down. That's the first one. Now we have another piece. Probably we will try to fit this one. Yeah, it has 1 long, 2 short, and 1 medium size cutout, and it will go all the way here. Yeah, that works pretty well. There is 1 more piece that goes right here, and when 3 out of 4 are connected, so that means that you solve the puzzle almost. And here is the solution of the Web4 puzzle. Once the puzzle is solved, you can actually even put it like that on display. It looks really, really nice like that. If you like the Web4 puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.